We're going to walk out towards the alley, and the snow here is up to my knees. Snow is quite deep.
Whoa.
And my pant legs are coming up, so that's not very good.
Your picture of me.
That shows you a little bit how deep the snow is. And we're making our way to the alley. We probably should have been making our way towards the front of the house instead. Looks like somebody went down the alley. There's ruts going down there. Maybe kind of hard to see. And then down the other way. Now it's really starting to snow hard. We'll make another video on our way to the local coffee shop.